Hello my dear traders, so today we are going to trade just on one asset, which is Bitcoin OTC. So this means that we are going to watch and work only on one chart. Yes, you heard it right, we'll wait for all trading opportunities on a single chart. Well, good news that this asset offers high profitability. And so guys, today I plan to make around $10,000. Yes, my initial deposit is going to be $74. For analysis, I'm going to use 15 seconds Japanese candlesticks, and also I plan to open deals from 1 to 5 minutes. Of course, everything will be depending on the situation. Guys, I want to remind you that I only focus on setups I know and I'm good at. I feel confident. So this is my opinion, and this is my key to profitable deals, because as you probably already know, everything repeats on the market. So guys, I can't wait to start. Finally, let's go. Okay guys, here we see that there was a good and confident downtrend. At the same time, there is a support level at the bottom. After touching this level, there was a rollback upwards, and now after the rollback, the price has stopped and is moving in the consolidation zone. So guys, in this situation, as just opening a deal for 3 minutes to sell, it is more likely that the price will continue moving towards the level in the near future, as we can also see that the overall potential of the price is downward. So the main price highs are getting lower. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money, guys. I also took 3 minutes with the margin, taking into account possible consolidation or a rollback upwards. Guys, I hope that this time will be enough, and so let's wait for the end of our deal. Join my private channel for free trading signals. Right guys, so not bad at all. The price continued to move down to the support level and we got the profit. So we managed to make money with you on this downward movement, and as you can see, 3 minutes was totally enough for us here. Guys, it's a great start. Let's continue. So my dear traders, here we have a resistance level at the top. At the same time, we also see that at the moment the price touched this level for the second time and there was a rollback down. Now, after the rollback, the price has turned around and is approaching our level again. At the same time, we can see that the main price lows are also getting higher. This means that the price is mostly moving upwards. I suggest opening a deal to buy for 3 minutes. It is possible that the price will continue moving towards the level in the near future. It is also possible that the level will be broken. We will try to make money from this upward movement. Guys, I have also chosen 3-minute time frame with a margin of safety. This is taking into account that the price can get into the consolidation zone or a rollback downwards may occur. Guys, usually 3 minutes is totally enough in such situations, so let's wait for the end of our deal.
40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that.
That's perfect, guys. Okay, the price will continue to move to the level and we got the profit here. So we managed to work with you on this upward movement. These situations really work out quite well, and guys, so far everything is going great. Let's continue. So my dear traders, here we see that at the moment the price is moving down. I suggest immediately here to open a deal for 2 minutes to sell. We can see that there are quite confident impulsive red candles. The price is approaching the support level. At the moment the price is approaching the level and is already starting to go beyond it. Guys, this is the third time that the price has touched this level for the last 20 minutes, so this means that it is possible that the level will be broken in the near future. I also took 2 minutes time frame like with the margin, guys, because maybe after the confident downward movement there might be a rebound upwards. So yeah, a reaction may occur from the support level, guys. So since the price has a great potential for downward movement and the price moving down confidently, it is likely that after the rebound the downward movement will continue and the support level will be broken. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Okay, as you can see, the price fell into the consolidation zone and moved in a certain range. But nevertheless, the closing point of our deal was lower than the opening point. Guys, we got a profit here, so it's amazing. That's great. It's time to continue, guys. So guys, here we see that we have resistance level at the top. We also see that there was a good confident uptrend. The price approached this level, and after a short period of trading, a breakout occurred. Green candles continue to form, and the moment we can see that the price has stopped after the breakout. There is a gradual decline. It's just opening a deal for 2 minutes to sell. It is more likely that after a strong upward movement and breakout, the price will enter correction zone and reverse. We'll try to make profit, guys, from this downward correction. And as a rule, in most cases, such situations work out in about the same way. So I hope that this time we'll be able to correctly predict the further movement of the price. So let's wait for them to follow a deal, guys. I'm really happy about it, guys. The price really got into the correction zone. There was a slight rollback down. We got the profit here. So the situations really work out perfectly well. Everything is going great. Let's continue, guys. So here at the bottom we have a support level. At the same time, we'll see that at the moment there is a fairly confident and downward movement. At the same time, there's still room for the support level. I suggest opening 3-minute deal to sell on a downtrend. The price is likely to continue moving toward the support level, as it is excellent potential for downward movement in the recent times. I have also chosen 3-minute time frame with the margin, guys, as the price may enter a correction zone after a strong unidirectional movement, leading to a potential upward reversal. Guys, additionally, the price may remain in the trading range for some time, and only then there can be a movement to the level, guys. So it is with this all things in mind we took such time. And as a rule, in most cases, 3 minutes in such situation is totally enough. So yeah, it's really important to trade as much as possible, because then you will understand from the experience how you should react or act. Guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Not bad at all, guys. As you can see, the price really continued to move to the level, and we got the profit here. As you can see, 3 minutes was just perfect for us in this case, guys. Everything is going great, so let's continue. Okay, guys, I decided to open the next deal on the same trading situation after some time. So let's go here with you for 1 minute to sell, since we see that at the moment the price has started to go beyond the level. This means that it is more likely that this level will be broken in the near future. It is on this downward movement, on the break of the level, that we will try to make money. And as a rule, in most cases, 1 minute is totally enough, guys, and perhaps we will get into the very impulsive movement of the price down at the very moment of breaking through the level. Just at the moment we see that a confident impulsive red candle has been formed. I hope that my technical analysis will be correct. And so, guys, let's wait for the result. So, guys, not bad at all. The price really continued to move down, and we got the profit here. We were able to make money with you on the breaking of the support level. As you can see, the situations really work out well. So, guys, let's continue. So here at the bottom we have a support level, and also we see that after the first touch of the level there was a rollback upwards, and after the consolidation zone the price turned around. At the moment red candles are forming, the price is approaching our level. At the same time there's still room for the support level. So let's open a deal to sell for 3 minutes, guys, following the downtrend. We can also see that the overall price potential is decreasing. The main price highs are becoming lower, so it is more likely that the price will continue its downward movement towards the level in the near future. We will try to profit from this downward movement. I hope that 3 minutes will also be quite enough, even taking into account the possible consolidation or upward pullback. So let's wait for the end of our deal, guys. Okay, perfect. The price really continued to move to the level, guys, and we got the profit here. 3 minutes were just enough for us, and as you can see, we have correctly managed to predict the further price movement. Meanwhile, I have more than $5,000 on deposit, and I think that we will open one more deal for today. So give me some time. Here we have a support level, and I suggest that we immediately open 1 minute deal to sell, as we can see that the level is currently being broken. Guys, red impulsive candles have formed, and as you can see, they are beyond the level, so this means that the level is more likely to be broken. So guys, it is on this downward moment that we will try to make money with you, and we have just entered the downward momentum of the price at the moment of breaking the level, and as you know, in most cases 1 minute in such situation is totally enough, guys. So I hope that this time it will be the same. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. And so guys, just look at this, the price really continued to move to the level and we got a profit here. So 3 minutes was just enough for us, and as you can see, we have correctly managed to predict the further price movement, guys. This is the end of our trading session, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed this trading. And as you could see, guys, it was possible for us to make such amount from $74 and even on one chart. Guys, I think it's an amazing result. It was great. So if you enjoyed it and if you liked this strategy, you can try it on your own. And I also want to remind you that I share trading signals in my closed community. How you can get there, guys, text me code word signal on my Telegram. All the essential links will be down below. Also, my dear traders, I wanted to tell you that if you enjoyed this video, please put a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, especially if you watch this video without subscription. You have to subscribe, please. Let's do this because it really motivates me to do more and more content here. And so guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.